Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Windows can't communicate with the device or resource primary DNS server fix. Click notification icon. Click expand. Click to enable airplane mode. Click to disable airplane mode. Second method is right-click network icon, open network and internet settings. Click network and sharing center. Click Wi-Fi icon, click disable. Restart system. Right-click network icon, open network and internet settings. Click network and sharing center. Click change adapter settings. Right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click enable. Third method is right-click network icon, click troubleshoot problems. Select Wi-Fi, click next. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.